everyone! We are now here in the Sanctuary of the Truth. As you can see on the background, so that's the museum. So it's 500 baht per person. How much is that for US dollars, Lovey?
It's about $20 for two people.
20 US dollars. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the footage of the museum later on, because the tour guide says, which is Da, her name is Da, so she said that, you know, like, you cannot take videos or photos while she is doing a tour. So yeah, later after the tour, I'm going to roam around the Sanctuary Truth Museum and I'll show you. Let's go.
Bella is going to that museum, so it's a little bit of walk. And then there's always going to be a tour guide because I don't know, it's always like that. Like, there's the tour guide is kind of mandatory, and you cannot go in without a tour guide. So but the guide will just last for some minutes, and then after that you can roam the museum or the temple on your own. So again, if you're gonna visit temples, I think this is applicable wherever in the world. So if you're gonna visit temple, make sure that you cover your shoulder and you cover your knees. Oh, Lovey, this is near the ocean. Look at the ocean, oh. I don't know, but it's always like that. Like, whenever I always see that there what do you call it? No, like there are Muslim prayer rooms everywhere, and I think it's cool. Oh my gosh, there it is! Oh my gosh, it's so nice, right? So yeah, for this one you need to wear a helmet. You need to wear a helmet. I'm not sure why. Maybe because, you know, like, I can see that they are fixing the museums. Maybe, you know, baka mahulugan kayo ng mga something sa ulo. So just to be safe.
So we are now here in the inside the Sanctuary of Truth Museum. So as they said, the tour guide says that you can take a video after the tour, so after they explained everything. And look at this, it's so nice. All of these are made of woods, and the details are so crazy. Right? Like, it's crazy. Like, look at this. Let me get a closer look. See, can you see the details? It's so nice.
And our tour guide is, her name is Da. So we appreciate it. We appreciate her so much. She did a good job explaining everything.
41 years later, still under construction.
Right. So yeah, what's interesting is that they already they made this 41 years already, and they're still making it. Like, it's still not finished. Look at that, it's so nice. So this is stairs to that museum, and it's really nice. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh, it's really beautiful, amazing. And yeah, look at those people that are still making it after 41 years, right? Amazing.
The kind of content that I would be interested in.
Like what? Talking about this art of these Palestinians.
Why? Is that what you think I'm interested in?
I don't know.
What do you think I'm interested in?
Interested. I'm not sure if you're really interested, like like this travel vlogs. I don't know. Maybe some life experiences.
I like travel vlogs, but I like I'm not really into the tourist spot.
Yeah. Alright, so it's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching the Sanctuary of Truth. So thank you so much for watching. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media. So once again, this is Sas reminding you to stay golden.